బ్యాక్. ఢిల్లీ లిక్కర్ కేసులో కీలక పరిణామం చోటు చేసుకుంది. కేసు నుంచి మాజీ సీఎం కేజ్రీవాల్ కు విముక్తి లభించింది. మాజీ డిప్యూటీ సీఎం మనీష్ సిసోడియాకు సైతం ఊరట లభించింది.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिस तरह से शराब घोटाला कर रही थी और हमारे ऊपर आरोप लगा रही थी, आज कोर्ट ने सारे आरोप खारिज कर दिए और जितने भी एक्यूज्ड थे सबको डिस्चार्ज कर दिया। हम हमेशा कहते थे सत्य की जीत होती है। हमें भारतीय न्याय प्रणाली पे भरोसा है। मुंह पे जा रहे सर के माइक नीचे। मैं जज साहब का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं जिन्होंने हमारे साथ न्याय किया, सत्य की जीत हुई। मैं हमेशा कहता था कि भगवान हमारे साथ है। मोदी जी ने और अमित शाह जी ने मिल के आजाद भारत का सबसे बड़ा राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र रचा। आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करने के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी के सबसे बड़े 5 नेताओं को जेल में डाल दिया गया। यहाँ तक कि सिटिंग
उसमें मैनिपुलेशन किया गया, उसमें फर्जी दस्तावेज जोड़े गए। कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि जब एक्साइज पॉलिसी बनी उसके जितने भी एविडेंस, जितनी भी कोर्ट फाइल, जितने भी कैबिनेट नोट, जितने भी ऑफिशियल नोटिंग है, अगर आप उनको देखेंगे तो आप पाएंगे that the policy has been put to every institution in the machinery and it cannot be said that only one person has made this. In fact, the court has drawn a parallel where the court had said that the policy was also given to the office of Honorable LG. Honorable LG has also looked at it and Honorable LG has also approved the policy. The court had said that if you are making Mr. Manish Sisodia or Mr. Kejriwal as an accused, why was not other person who were involved in the excise policy not made an accused? After that, the court had said that after seeing what has happened, how the policy was framed, it is actually seen that every institution, every stakeholder has been taken into confidence and the file has gone to every stakeholder and at no point of time there was any doubt which was framed at that contemporaneous point of time against the policy.
साउथ ग्रुप का जो वर्ड है उसके ऊपर भी कोर्ट ने ऑब्जेक्शन किया है, डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी बताया है, क्या कहना है चाहिए?
कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि सीबीआई ने अपनी चार्जशीट के अंदर स्पेसिफिकली जो अक्यूज पर्सन्स थे आंध्र प्रदेश से या हमारे दक्षिण पार्ट के जो क्षेत्र हैं उससे, उनको एक टैग दे दिया गया साउथ ग्रुप. This, according to the judge, is against the international practices. It is against the rule of law. You cannot discriminate people on the basis of the region. And court has taken a very strong view and in fact has also made few comments in the order saying that CBI has to ensure that in the future cases they cannot term or ostracize one region of the country like this.
The court also said that a safeguard of constitutional post should be preserved, not implicated like this.
Court had said that what is the most important thing is rule of law, and the criminal process is not to illegally implicate somebody. And once you do it, it is even more grave in the case of people who are occupying constitutional posts because those people have reached constitutional post after the public has chosen them. So if you by illegally making out a case take these people inside and inform their liberty, this is something which goes against the rule of law and that is why he has discharged the accused persons in the matter.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
थोड़ा पूछिए ना केजरीवाल के अलावा.
ఢిల్లీ కోర్టు తీర్పుపై కేజ్రీవాల్ హర్షం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. ఇన్నాళ్టికి న్యాయం జరిగిందని మీడియా ముందు బోరున విలిపించారు. సిసోడియాను హత్తుకొని కేజ్రీవాల్ కన్నీరు పెట్టుకున్నారు. ప్రధాని మోదీ, అమిత్ షా రాజకీయ కుట్రలు చేశారని ఆరోపించారు. ఆప్కు చెందిన 5 మంది కీలక నేతలను జైల్లో వేశారని కేజ్రీవాల్ తెలిపారు. భారత రాజ్యాంగ వ్యవస్థలో ఎప్పుడూ ఇలా జరగలేదని చెప్పారు. 6 నెలల పాటు తనను జైల్లో